Hello everyone, very good morning. Today we are going to see on the streams how to sort a map by its values. Generally, by default, collection has the ordering of the map by referring the key. This is a little tricky question if we go in a path of regular traditional Java way of solving it. But right now, a stream provides a set of functions which will give us the solution at a quicker and a lesser code. Here is the input. If you could see input as array of math is a key and value is 98, data structure is a key and value is 85, and database is a key and value is 91 and goes on. String is a key and integer is a value. Now the output we are expecting is we are printing in order, in ascending order of sorting by its values. So 79 is the least, and then 80, and then 85, and then 91, 95, 98, and its respective strings. Let us deep dive into the programming part. We have public static void main to sort out the inputs. So I have given the same input. I have created a map with string and the integer, and then the input map as a variable, and then it is a hash map. As we know, hash map doesn't follow any ordering. It indexes and stores it, and then it could be of any ordering. Each time you check the output of a general hash map, so the ordering will differ because of its hash function and how to store the entry sets into the respective buckets. And I have created a sort map stream solution. What I did is I add a map, string as a key and integer as a value. So I've got an input map, what we have given it here, and populate the values. Now, we have this input map, and first we are getting this entry set, and we are making it as a stream, and then dot sorted. And then dot sorted, what we want to do. So we have to sort the map of entries comparing by its values. This is a function which enables us to provide quicker and lesser code. And now what collect is doing is how do we organize? So we using sorted, we sorted using by its value. How do you want? Because we need to preserve the ordering. So hash map doesn't preserve it, so we can go for a linked hash map. So we have just maintained a map interface here. We did not say whether it is a hash map or a linked hash map. So the collect will do like collectors.toMap, map.entry is get key, map.entry is get value, and we stored in linked hash map which is of new values of the map here. So I am running the file right now. Yeah, now we got the same output as we discussed here. Operating system is 80 and its respective key is networking, and its next value is 85, and the under key is data structure, and the next value is incremented value is 91, and then database, and this is the highest value which stays at the last, and the key is math. This is on the streams. If you want to do it in a traditional way, what we need to is we need to create a list of entries and then provide all the inputs from the input map. And then we have to do collections.sort, and we have to override compare, stating that compare the get values, all the elements, compare its values, and the list map have right now will have the entry sets sorted by its values, and then we have to create a linked hash map, iterate this list, and then assign its respective key value. And if you see the system.out.println, it will also provide the same output. We need to create a list and list of entries, and then we should use collections.sort and sort using comparator, and comparator has compare method. We have to override it, and once this is done in this step, it gets sorted. Here is a usual, we are creating a linked hash map and looping the list of sorted entries, and then we are mapping it into the linked hash map. So if we want to sort it in reverse order, we can use collections.reverse, or we can do collections.reverse and any default collections sorting methods. Thank you for watching this video and have a very good day. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos, please do follow Intrinsic Intelligence and subscribe for regular updates. And I have also provided the GitHub repo link. Thank you once again and have a very good day.